My name is Tarina Mendonça. I'm the Associate Superintendent for Administrative Services with the El Dorado County Office of Education. We are an organization that oversees the 15 school districts in our county. We have about 30,000 students that we serve. Workers' compensation prior to reforms was a very cumbersome and time-consuming, complicated system that didn't serve injured workers well and didn't serve employers well. Prior to the reforms, financially was very difficult because we were seeing double-digit increases in our workers' compensation costs. And so it was very difficult to assess what our costs would be on a year-to-year basis, and projecting out into multiple years and trying to do financial planning. Workers' compensation costs always were a bit of a wild card. And when you're trying to plan financially for your organization and you are faced with those uncertain escalating costs, it causes you to pull money back that would better be directed back into student programs. I would say our workers' compensation system is better than it used to be. Our current workers' compensation system is a little more responsive, both in terms of how claims are processed and in terms of how employees receive medical care. I don't see the systemic problems that we once saw. When reform came around, we saw a dramatic drop in those double-digit increases. Our particular organization's cost went down by about $50,000 per year. So that's a teaching position that we're able to staff because of the reduced costs in workers' compensation. And during this economic crisis right now, every dollar is critical, and we are so grateful that we aren't, in addition to looking at the severe reductions in revenue, we're also not looking at the kinds of increased runaway workers' compensation rates that we were 5 years ago. Our hope is that we now have a system that is stable, sustainable, it's providing good services to injured workers, it's providing stable economic rates for employers, and there's no motivation from our end to see about changing and fixing a system that isn't broke. Any increases in costs are already making a very difficult job of educating kids that much harder. When we look at annual costs that go up every year, whether it's in utilities or fuel or staffing costs, healthcare costs, all of those costs go up on the natural. And then you couple that with our reduction in revenues. The one thing we've been able to rely on is the stability of our workers' compensation rates, and it has added some degree of stability in a very unstable time.